never leave. She say I'm so terrible, but it's a leave. I love her from head to toe, in between. I know we do a lot of back and forth. I know we do a lot of fast and slow. I know I'm gon' contradict myself. I know you gon' ride the dick like a pro.
Why you loosen your neck, bro? When I'm doing that right there, I'm trying to get your head in a certain angle so I can get it right, bro. Don't hold your neck tight, please. Alright.
I know you got a lot of faith in me. I know you put a lot of things on hold. I know you got policy. You got a lock on the whole thing. Look, I had to tell you something before you go. I left a little something special in the envelope. I had to tell you something, tell me when it's at the door. And when you open it, I hope you get it spherical. I had to share it with somebody that I really trust. So when we celebrate, I'ma hit you up. I had to go and find a running mate who wouldn't rush. I hope you know it was imperative. She wanna know where I am and who I see. She wanna know where I'm going. Yeah. She say I'm so terrible, but is it me? I never from head to toe. Yeah. I know we do a lot of back and forth. I know we do a lot of fast and slow. I know I'm gon' contradict myself. I know you gon' ride the dick like a pro. I know you gotta stop playing with my boy Nazi. New music. Stop playing with my boy Nazi. New music. Stop playing with my boy Nazi. New music. Stop playing with my boy Nazi. New music.
This point, yeah.
Appreciate you, man. All right, bro. Take it easy. You too.
First and foremost, let's start by saying thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for locking in with me. Thank you thus far for all the people that's been coming through. All my subscribers, all the new subscribers, welcome. All the returners, welcome back. I'm enjoying the journey so far. Continuing to push this content out. I hope y'all enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying creating, turning these cameras on every day and letting it rip, man. If y'all got some suggestions on what y'all want to see, more haircutting, I got you. If it's more conversations, I got you with that too. If it's more outbound calls, if my clients are cool with that, I'm with it too, y'all. Class of Klassix Barbering Company. Stay locked in with us, man. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the ride, bro. Appreciate y'all.